Hello people, the long-awaited fried rice recipe for business is here. In this video guide, I will simplify the act of cooking fried rice in a bigger quantity. I will unveil a delicious fried rice recipe that is suitable for your customers in your restaurants, smaller meetings and in-gathering of people, and even for a bigger families. One more, you will learn my natural method of preserving my fried rice and preventing them from going bad for the whole day. Isn't that amazing? Let's do this. Now, begin by blanching of your onions. Blanching is a short-time heat treatment given to fruits and vegetables in order to retain their colors in food. So to do that, you simply on your stove, place water and allow to boil, then add the onion directly to the hot water, allow to steam for about 30 seconds, scoop out the already blanched onions from the hot water and allow to cool. After cooling, blend with little ginger and garlic and set aside. To our chicken, I added a scoop of ginger and garlic blend, rosemary, half tablespoon of a mixed spice seasoning. At this point, you can add your curry powder, chicken seasoning powder, thyme, or any other necessary ingredients. Now, here are some of the tips you may want to know while seasoning your chicken for a tasty result. Number 1, always use more of the herbal and natural ingredients than the synthetic ingredients. Doing this will promote natural flavors, aromas, taste, and general organoleptic property of your chicken. I often hear my customers say to me that the chicken is nice. Number 2, do not overspice. Generally, I recommend a half tablespoon of each of the herbal ingredients and 7 seasoning cubes for 1 kg of chicken. Go ahead and cook the chicken with little water until it is 70% cooked. Scoop and set aside as we move to the next step. It's time to fry our chicken in an hot oil. And to do that, I heated about 1 liter of oil. And this is all the oil we'll be needing for every aspect of this fried rice cooking. Once your chicken is succulent, soft and golden brown like this, go ahead and scoop it out. Please endeavor to start building up your fried rice flavor by adding the following ingredients: rosemary, thyme, chicken seasoning, mixed spice, and curry powder. It's equally added to boost the flavor. After about half a minute, the oil becomes translucent and the aroma in your cooking place becomes something else. Now I'm gonna add the already blended onion. Because this is watery, you can allow to cook down or fry for a while. I quickly give this a quick stir and allow to cook down for about 10 to 15 minutes. And while this is cooking, let's quickly prepare our fried rice ingredients for the rice. I'll be cooking 4 kg of rice. I will be using 5 sachets of this fried rice spice. Each of these sachets has a net weight of 10 grams. Means we'll be using 50 grams for 1 rubber pent of rice. So I'll just place them together in my bowl. To the boiling sauce, add 13 seasoning cubes, the fried rice spice, together with curry powder. Stir and cook for about 2 more minutes and bring it down. At this point, the sauce is already tasty. It has dried. Over here, let's quickly wash our rice. So I poured the rice in a bowl and added some cold water and washed over and over again. Please wash until your water is clear. After that, pour the rice in a bigger pot. Our onion sauce goes in next. Man, this sauce is everything you can think of. So packed with flavor and taste. Now add water and allow the water to be slightly above the level of the rice. Add half tablespoon of mixed spice, 6 bay leaf, half tablespoon of salt, half tablespoon of thyme, 6 seasoning cube, and 1 tablespoon of chicken seasoning powder. Add everything to combine and then stir to mix properly. After mixing, go ahead cook the rice until it is done. It took me about an hour to completely cook the rice, and now that it's done, I'll bring it down as we move to the frying process. Now to prepare our vegetable stir fry for rice, we'll be needing strips of carrots, pigeon and green peas which was both dried, soaked overnight to achieve this result. Finally, some strips of green beans, green pepper, onion and spring onion. Now, to retain the color of these vegetables in our fried rice, you ought to blanch by giving it a hot water treatment. Blanching does not only retain the colors of the vegetables in the rice, but also preserve the rice from easily spoilage as a result of the presence of the vegetables. In other words, any rice harboring a hot water treated vegetables, be it jollof or fried, does not go bad with ease. Is that understood? The vegetables were soaked in hot water for about 30 seconds with constant stir, and afterwards was transferred to the pot with hot oil and was stir-fried. At this point, 2 major ingredients should be added to the sauce to enhance taste and appearance, which is your seasoning cube of choice and fried rice seasoning powder. It's important to note that your vegetables shouldn't be overcooked. So I'll quickly transfer this into our already cooked rice as I begin to stir. Just look at that! Isn't this amazing? This is menace. In case you may want to know my budget of making this 4 kg of rice and 1 kg of chicken, please check the description box for accurate ingredient recipe and costs of cooking. Please note, cost of budget is subject to change due to time and season, especially now that everything in the economy goes high and does not come down. Thank you so much for watching. It's been a long while you heard my voice. I missed you all. Bye.